Welcome to the practical series of Class 10 SSC Board. Content of the video. Write the solution of experiment in your journal in neat and clean handwriting with blue pen. Write the solution of the exercise in your journal in neat and clean handwriting with blue pen. Actual board marks distribution. Your efforts. Join Sci Factory tutorial to shape your future. For this experiment, you will get 6 marks. For aim and apparatus, you will get 0 marks. For diagram, you will get 2 marks. 1 mark for drawing the diagram technically correct and 1 mark for labeling it correctly. Graph will not be asked in the exam as it is time consuming. For observation table, you will get 2 marks. For conclusion, you will get 2 marks. For writing any 2 points, you will get 2 marks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.